Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. We're in December now, so 'tis the season for holiday cups. I'm not going to inundate the channel with a bunch of holiday designs. I did that kind of with the Halloween designs and they didn't sell well. I still have a few left over. So I'm just going to do a few holiday designs throughout the month of December. The first one being a handled coffee mug, perfect for the hot chocolate lover and everybody, with a cute gnome hot chocolate decal and hot chocolate drips. If you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. Here I have a 12-ounce camper style handled mug from Maker Flow Crafts. It is base painted white. I'm using the Mod Podge method to apply my glitter, which is my absolute favorite, Stardust from Glitter Heart Company. I am admittedly not that great with handled tumblers. It's no big deal. They're not my specialty. But a handled tumbler with just fine glitter is probably the easiest for a beginner to start off with. Once your Mod Podge dries, you can epoxy over this glitter 1 to 2 coats until it's smooth, and then you're ready to decal. When decaling a handled mug, you do want to take into consideration which hand is going to be holding the mug so that the decal is placed on the side facing out. This white cast decal is from Vinyl Craze. I will have it linked below. It's nice because it can go on any colored cup. So I just got a little hinge method going on to get it nice and straight, and then just push off your backing and it goes on nice and clean. There are many ways to do 3D drips on a tumbler. This is just my particular method of doing it. I have Mod Podge, cornstarch to thicken the Mod Podge, and then acrylic paint in the desired color that I want my drips to be, which in this case is brown for the hot cocoa. You want to add enough cornstarch to get a slow drip. You can keep adding cornstarch until you get the desired drop speed, if you want to call it that, of the Mod Podge. Then you can add your coloring. Just keep in mind that the coloring will look a lot lighter because the Mod Podge itself is white, but when it dries down, it will be a much darker color. So I get a bunch of the Mod Podge and cornstarch mixture onto my big popsicle stick and I kind of drag it across the top of the cup. And to get really concentrated drips, I drag the back of the popsicle stick against the rim of the cup, and that creates like a more concentrated area where the drip will kind of come down a lot further. Over your decal, be careful because you don't want it to drip too much over the decal. So you can kind of go back and add more in areas if you want, if you have a big gap. And over the handle, you want to be a little more sparing as well so you don't get kind of nasty drips. So this one was a little bit hard to record because I can't really tilt the cup, otherwise the drips will kind of go all wonky. But after your Mod Podge dries, I let mine dry for 24 hours and then do 2 coats of epoxy over the drips and your decal. And it will seal everything in, and look at how dark this strip is now. It's so friggin' cute. I'll see y'all real soon. Bye-bye.